Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one I'm going to do the PUBG Mobile 90 FPS gameplay test in the Realme X1 Max device. So after the Realme UI 3.0 update. Yes friends, right now I did update to the Realme UI 3.0 at this moment, and right now I was able to get 90 FPS by using some kind of tricks which I'll try to explain you in this video. So the PUBG version which I'm trying to use is the PUBG Korean version which I'm trying to use. So if you try to install the global version, it doesn't work. 90 FPS doesn't work. With the Korean version also 90 FPS doesn't work, but you need to use the set edit application after this Realme UI 3.0 update. So as you can see friends, after this Realme UI update, so these are the few problems which the Realme has got before as well. Even with the trial version also, now you cannot play Battlegrounds mobile game 90 FPS. Even 70 is also not working. PUBG global version also not working, even using set edit application. But PUBG Korean version is working. You need to use a set edit application to do this kind of trick to make it work. Otherwise, this game doesn't work at all. So these are the few drawbacks friends and setbacks as well, and I'm not sure when the Realme will be fixing this kind of things. Maybe with the stable version they might be able to fix it, but that's also not sure whether they will be fixing or not with the stable version. But even right now I'm playing it exactly at 90 FPS only throughout this time. I'll try to do a couple of gameplay reviews. So by playing with this PUBG Korean version, only one thing is that I need to use a VPN to play this kind of gameplay. That's might be the reason why the ping value is really very high. Sometimes the gameplay may not be that smooth for me. So that's the reason friends, I could not play proper game because of this higher ping values at this moment, unfortunately. But only using this kind of set edit application, using PUBG Korean version, only you will be able to play it higher refresh rate. Otherwise you won't be able to play it higher refresh rate. I mean at 90 FPS. As you can see right now, it's very high. The ping value 630 milliseconds I'm getting. The ping value in the bottom 630 and 500 milliseconds. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this particular topic, and definitely it's kind of disappointing to see not providing this kind of 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max device, because few people they did buy the Realme X1 Max thinking that they can actually play it higher refresh rate. But it's unfortunate to see. And as you can see, even with the PUBG global version also I did try to play, but I was unable to get that 90 FPS working. Even with the set edit application as well, with the PUBG global version. Hopefully with this some kind of stable update, we might be able to receive some update with the stable version, maybe after 1 month, but I'm not sure when we will be getting this kind of update. But overall it was kind of okay, I would say. If you got really good connection, that should be kind of not an issue. But for me, the ping value is really high because I'm trying to use a 4G SIM card. So at this moment, Geo SIM card I'm trying to use at this moment, not the Wi-Fi connection. That might be another reason why the ping values might be higher. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and this is how you can actually play the PUBG 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max device. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned, and definitely I can feel a lot of heat coming on the phone as well. I think it's kind of really high temperatures, 40 degrees I am getting friends, 40. I think that might be the another reason why the Realme is kind of restricting this to play at 90 FPS.